can kids actually play airsoft safely? See, most parents either think airsoft is completely fine or completely dangerous, but the reality is somewhere in the middle, and it depends entirely on how it's set up. First, the gun matters. A low-power AEG under 0.5 joules is enough to play without unnecessary pain, because anything higher and close-range hits can become a real problem for younger players who aren't expecting it. Second, face protection is non-negotiable. Now, just please don't buy mesh goggles. Your kid deserves full sealed goggles that cover the eyes and a lower face mask that protects the teeth. And third, the field matters, because a supervised, organized field with referees and clear rules is completely different from an unsupervised backyard game where nobody's managing FPS or engagement distances.